Today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the EUKER 100 watts bi-directional fast charger. It is rugged and waterproof, rated at IP67. So the reason I purchased this is for my laptop backup, just in case. By the way, you could also use it for smartphone or GoPro or any other devices. This one has 40,000 mAh, huge capacity, smart LCD digital readout display, multiple protection, 4 output ports, Samsung super fast charging. Also come with a 5,000 lume flashlight. So this is a laptop charger with a 4 outputs port, including 100 watt USB Type-C power delivery, 30 watt USB Type-C power delivery, and 2 of the 18 watts Type-A ports, and support passing through charging, allowing you to charge the power bank itself while it is simultaneously charging your device. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. I purchased with my own money. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this and then check it out. This is the original box, so they ship it out like this. This is the specification right here. Although it's all scratched up during the delivery or get dirty. And the product is made in China. Is there a E logo right here, and also on this side. EUKER power bank. The user manual. Model number is PB4. So one side has all the charging port, 2 of the Type-C input output, and then Type-A, and then there's a screen switch, digital display. There's a lighting switch, LED light. So there's a LED ring light and then one in the middle. Because they have a different mode. And right here is the digital display. Even show you the current and battery level. And this side is in Japanese. So yeah, by the way, this is the cheapest that I found. Most of them was like 50, 60, 80 something bucks. I got this for like let me check, 34 something or 35 something plus tax. So yeah, it's the $34.99 plus tax. So total damage is $38.05. Got the dust bag or the carrying bag. This must be the fast charging cable, but you must have 100 watts brick in order to charge faster. This looks like a watch band. So yeah, this is like a TPU. Wow, pretty heavy. Oh, here is the cover. As I was saying, where is the cover? So yeah, this is the waterproof cover. Right here is the flashlight ring and then a flashlight. Let's go and then check it out. I'm gonna turn it on first. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's even fully charged or it's totally dead. I believe this is touch. So yeah, it's a nice weight to it. Anyway, let's go ahead and then insert this band, carrying band first. Just like that. Let me plug in and see if it's like anything comes up. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it shows the battery is 2%. No wonder. Totally dead. This is like a SOS. So you got the lowest mode for the ring, 1, 2, mid, high, and then the LED in the middle, and then the SOS. And then I press hold it down to turn it off. See if I turn it off. Well, anyway, I had to let it charge, and hopefully this thing not gonna give me any issues or anything like that. So I use my MacBook Pro charger, and look at the wattage. 58.72 watt, 13.87 volt. 4.22 amp, and it show you the microprocessor 35 degrees Celsius, and then the battery is 30 degrees Celsius. And I've been charging for 1 minute and 24 seconds now, so it went up 3%. So yeah, if you have 100 watts, it's going to go up to 100 watts. Unfortunately, the MacBook Pro, I think it's only like a 60 watts or 65. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.